Hello everyone, welcome to Website Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to talk a lot of details on the TNKR LBP and also how to transfer the TNKR to Basilisk. Those might be helpful for the crowdloan who already have the TNKR token. So the event has ended today and it's quite successful. One TNKR is 0.0214 KSM, and this is a graph. You can see that. I do participate, and this is a few minutes before the end of the event. I do try to calculate the top 20 because top 20 you may get a YoudleDAO NFT, and based on the calculation, it seems like more than 36 KSM. It's not very accurate, but you will get the floor is 9.5 KSM YoudleDAO tickets, and so that's actually a very good opportunity. The YoudleDAO NFT, if you know that they have the giveaway, and you can actually participate LBP and get the giveaway. And so for the TNKR, now you can transfer that to the Basilisk from the InvArch 28. And so the UI from the InvArch or maybe Nova, they are working on that. The Nova Wallet is working on that, but it's not completed yet. But thankfully there is a tutorial. You can actually set it up on the JS Wallet, and those are the settings. I'm going to post an article, not written by me, but I'm going to post that below the video, so you can check this one and set up all the settings. And to save the time, I will directly show you my setting, and I'm going to show you if it's working or not, because I'm going to try to send one TNKR to the Basilisk. And so if it works, then you can follow, right? If it didn't, then at least you don't need to waste the one TNKR. So now from my settings, so here's one I follow the settings. So you need to set up the amount. This is actually one TNKR. Don't feel that's a very big number. And there's the parent is 1, interior x2, and the 2090, that's the parachain ID for the Basilisk, and then put my address. So right now, on the Basilisk, I have 207 TNKR, right? And now I'm going to try. So I'm going to sign that. So click submit transaction. So after you submit, submit. Oh, the destination weight, don't forget to put that. And after you submit, you can come back, and it may take a little bit while. You need to refresh that a little bit. And so now you can see that after a while you will see the 208. So that's one TNKR I successfully sent it. And so you should try one, and you can also claim the TNKR for the vesting. So for those of you who participated in the crowdloan, you may have some TNKR available to claim. So you can claim that. And the last news updates is from also the YoudleDAO. They are going to provide 1% of the total supply. That's 117,000 TNKR for the airdrop of the tickets. So those NFT holder, they're going to get some actual TNKR rewards. All right, so I guess it might be helpful for those of you who participated in the crowdloan, and I think that's very good for the crowdloan participants. The TNKR, the price is good, and then you can also transfer the TNKR to the Basilisk. And for the YoudleDAO holder, YoudleDAO NFT holder, it's also a very good news. You will have the airdrop of the TNKR for free. That's 1% of the total supply. So I think that's not too bad. It's a very good news. And so that's all I want to share today, and also the tutorial. So hopefully this will be helpful. And again, thanks to the community InvArch 28 who provide the tutorial. Otherwise I have to wait for the UI before I can do the transfer. So for those of you, if you want, you can also wait a little bit, and I believe InvArch or maybe the Nova Wallet, they will set up the UI so you can transfer the TNKR to the Basilisk, and then you can trade it there. Right now I think TNKR is only available on the Basilisk. Alright, so that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye.